Hey guys, it's Ty. Thanks for watching the Fumble. For all the latest news on all your favorite athletes, make sure to hit subscribe. Woo! 2019 is looking like the year of the comeback, and I'm into it. First, this week we had Derrick Rose score a career high of 50 points after years of being plagued by injury, and now, you guys, we have Lamar Odom on his way to a real comeback. Oh, you heard me correctly, okay? Ryan Ward of Clutch Points spoke to Lamar, who told him as of yesterday, he's joining the Big Three League. Yes! We've been waiting for this for you, Lamar. He said, I'm getting myself into game shape, which I'm not too far from now. I'll be playing. Hopefully, I'll be playing. I also plan to play in the CBA in China in 2019. I just want to compete again. But back in February, Lamar said he wanted to play in the Big Three this year to honor Rasul Butler. The man's been working on that goal to get in shape. Now he's about to be on and poppin'. Odom also said he's going to try and get some training in with the one, the only Black Mamba to really make sure he's ready to compete like only the Mamba can. He said definitely he can teach this old dog some new tricks. Hey, you know he can. But according to Lamar, his relationship with Kobe is so much more than basketball. He said, Kobe's like a big brother to me. I learned everything about competing and the importance of winning from Kobe. The importance of success from Kobe, he means a lot to me. Hopefully, I get to work out with Kobe to get ready for the Big Three. Love. He also said that after he's done competing again, he'd like to get on that coaching staff for the Lakers. Why? Because he's a Laker for life. Yes, my boy. Guys, drop a comment and let me know if you're rooting for Lamar's comeback. As promised, today's post notification shout out goes to this Celtics fan who's trying to sabotage the Lakers and LeBron by sending J.R. Smith there. We're not having that. If you want to see more of your girl, you can follow me on the gram and Twitter at Taiwan on Sports. I'm going to be commenting back on all of today's videos, so make sure you say hi. And yeah, make sure you're subscribed and in the Noti gang for a shout out. Much love, fam.